Now let's have a look on this HTML, RBG and RGBA colors. Now an RBG color value represents red, green, blue light sources, and RBG color value in HTML, a color can be specified as an RBG using the formula. Now these are all the notes. We are not going to go for notes, we are going to go for the program. So here is the program. Let's copy this, and let's go for notepad, paste it, and let's see, save it. I'm saving this file by 03.html. Now let's go to the file. Let's go to the file and have a look. Now see, this is all the color name. And where is the program? The program is here. So now we are gonna do. Now the first heading was that style, background color, RBG. Now if I change this RBG, wait. So friends, the next program is define an HTML table. So what is an HTML table? The table tag defines an HTML table. Each table row is defined by tr tag. So tr tag means tr stands for table row. So tr defines table row. What would be the table row? Now each table header is defined with a th tag. Th stands for table header tag. Now next is each table data or cell is defined with td tag or table data tag. Now we are coming to the program. This is our program. Now before doing anything, let's have a practical view of this program. Copying this and pasting into our HTML++, pasted, and saving the file by name of 0.4 .html. Now let's save it and have a practical view of this file. So see, this is the table. Now let me make you all understand what is done over here. So this was all our programs. So the first, we have done a heading. By an heading tag, the heading is basic HTML table. So this is the basic HTML table written, and the next is tr tag, whatever is in the row. Tr means table row. Now first row is here, first name, last name, and age. So in first we have written th. In heading tag we have written first name, last name, and age. Now we have closed the row tag. Again we have started a table row tag, and the second row we have written the names of all the names, first name and last name and age. Now we have gone for second. So this is how we make an table. Alright, very easy concept.